everyone, and welcome back to my channel, A Life in High Definition. How are you all doing? I hope you're having a good day. I am having a pretty good day, so I thought I'd film a video and show you my happy, smiley, joyous face today. What have I got for you? Well, it's another unboxing. You've seen the picture, you've seen the title, you know what we're here for. We're here for this. Glossybox Daydreaming edition. Just look at this. Look at it, it's so pretty. Just this pale purple colour, beautiful clouds. Perfect on a summer's day just to think, oh, daydreaming of holidays and permanent warmth and a nap that I'm going to have in a minute. So yeah, daydreaming. This has given me inspiration. So if you want to find out what is inside May's Glossybox and see if it's any good, then you know what you need to do. Give me a big thumbs up, let me know you enjoy these videos. Hit that subscribe button and join my high def family. I'm so close to 300, so I'd love it if you would. Of course, you can hit the notification bell as well, so you know when I upload, and you can share this video because everyone needs to daydream, right? Okay, let's get into the video. So while I'm daydreaming about the contents of this box, let me tell you something about what's inside. So it's $13.25 a month normally, but I paid just over £5 for this box because I used my Glossy credit, which is a great way to make the box cheaper. Just cancel it, reorder it, and you can use your credits on it. Or you can save your credits and use them on a Look Fantastic website. You can get credits by buying boxes and filling out surveys. So simple, but it makes you money, or saves you money. Gets you some credit anyway. I do have a code that you can use if you want to. You don't have to, but why not? Don't pay more if you don't have to. Let's see what's inside. Take out the paper. This is what it looks like. They're continuing the theme. Normally Glossybox is pale pink with a black ribbon, but because we're obviously themed out, this is what it looks like. Right, this is what the box looks like inside. Does it look nice? Oh, what's that? Jelly feet. Exciting. Shall we see what they have to say about it this month? Glossies, let's float away. Welcome to a world of pampering and bliss with our Daydreamer box. The soft pastel hues are inspired by tranquil settings, and inside you'll find a range of products to help transport you to a relaxing paradise. We will soon have you feel like you're floating on a cloud. In this month's box you'll find sumptuous cruelty-free products from exciting brands around the globe. Revitalise your luscious locks, pamper your hard-working feet, refresh your skin and enjoy a new addition to your makeup bag. Plus, we've included a little comforting treat to help you relax even more this month. Indulge your senses and let your worries float away. Your Glossybox team. And there is a sneak peek for June, so if you don't want to know what it is, close your eyes. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and your ears. I guess you better close those too. It is a sumptuous bronzer from Larixi Cosmetics. So I guess everyone will get one of those next month. Interesting. Let's dive on in. Right, start with this because I saw it first and it looked interesting. What does it look like? Just for feet, Jelly Foot Soak, a relaxing foot treatment to calm problematic and overworked feet. Soothe with lavender and lemongrass. Oh, it sounds nice. Owned and manufactured in the UK by Jellicity UK Limited. Excellent, always good to support British brands. The benefits: it soothes tired, aching feet, helps with athlete's foot, combats fungal issues, eases foot odour, natural eczema treatment, vegan friendly and safe for diabetics. Excellent. So it's a powder, you watch the gel form and then add powder to turn back to liquid. So it's got a dissolver and a powder. It's got a jelly thing that makes it, and then you've got a dissolver powder. Not suitable for use while pregnant or for jacuzzis or spa baths. Well, you know, I was just going to pop into my jacuzzi and put this on, but I guess I'll have to wait. No, it wasn't. I don't have a jacuzzi. I can't smell this because it's all sealed, but it sounds delightful. This is just for feet. Sit back and give your feet a treat. Gel Spa's vegan-friendly Jelly Foot Soak is specially developed powder which turns water to gel. Yes, miracles do exist. Let the aromas of lavender and lemongrass help you to relax after a long day while the soak gently moisturises and soothes your tired feet. Afterwards, simply add the second step to magically turn the gel back to liquid. And this is a single use, so that'll be good. I'm sure I will be doing a video on that. Right, what have we got next? Let's do this. So this is a tea bag. We Are Tea Earl Grey Supreme Black Tea, and this is just a little bonus item. Yeah, an extra treat it says. We've teamed up with this ethical London-based tea company to treat you to one of these relaxing tea. You'll either get Earl Grey, which is a delicate aroma of bergamot fruit and sprinkling of blue cornflowers. This black tea offers refreshing infusion. Or you'll get the sleep tea bag, which says sink into your pillow and let this herbal infusion of lavender and chamomile melt the pressure away. And the shop is from We Are Tea, obviously, because that's what it says in the packet. Come on. I know how to read, I think. Do I? I think so. So that's nice. I'm glad that this is not a thing, but it's an extra. Because otherwise that would be a bit like, what? Can you give me a box? Right, what have we got next? Now this is what we knew was going to come in this shampoo and conditioner. And I really feel like if it's shampoo and conditioner, that should be one item, not counted as two. Because you need the set, right? You need them both to see how they're going to work on your hair. But at least they're reasonable sizes. Sometimes they can be tiny. But anyway, less moaning, more explaining. This is True Soft Shampoo by Nila from Stockholm, or Nila, I don't know, I've never heard of this before. It's 100% vegan and cruelty free, softening argan oil with sulfate and paraffin free, Colour Guard complex produced in Sweden. A gentle shampoo for dry hair that softens, moisturises and strengthens the structure of the hair. I don't know if I exactly have dry hair, but maybe I do, I don't know. I'm sure it'll be worth a shot. They smell quite nice. And then we have the matching conditioner, which says all the same things. A conditioner for dry hair that softens, moisturises and strengthens the hair structure. Same. Oh, if I could get it open. Crikey, that hurt my thumb. And that's supposed to be my good thumb. Yeah, it still smells the same. So, it says True Soft Shampoo. Shall I hold up the right bottle though? They look the same, to be honest. Wash away your worries with this vegan shampoo from the Swedish brand Nila. Sulfate and paraben free, the gentle formula softens, moisturises and strengthens the structure of your hair with a recipe for super shiny locks and frizz-fighting ingredients. What's not to love? This gorgeous conditioner completes your dreamy hair care duo, designed to reduce frizz and the loss of colour associated with washing and heat styling. This is a true multitasker. Try using this as a deep conditioning mask. Apply to damp hair after shampooing and leave on for 3 minutes before rinsing thoroughly to reveal a smooth, shiny result. Okay, well, I like the idea of using it as a mask. Slightly more interested now I hear about the frizz thing, so not so bad. Shampoos are not my favourite. Next up we have this from Kueshi, Double Effect Makeup Remover, Cleansing and Calming. Now, look, if you can see, it's one colour at the top, one colour at the bottom, because it's one of those oil type ones and it's mixing. Cleansing and Calming, eyes and sensitive areas, removes waterproof and long lasting makeup. Oh, nice. Gentle eye makeup remover, special for waterproof and long lasting makeups that cleans effectively without leaving greasy film. The clear phase, rich in soft oils, removes waterproof and long lasting makeups. The blue phase is a very mild lotion that provides a pleasant sensation of freshness. The skin is cleaned quickly and easily, suitable for sensitive eyes and for use with contact lenses. It's not tested on animals, which is excellent. It has a little symbol of a tortoise. A tortoise or a turtle? How do you know the difference between a tortoise and a turtle? Let me know. Doesn't really smell of anything. That'll be nice to try. So what does it say about this? Everything I've just said on the bottle. It will leave your skin feeling refreshed so you can drift off to sleep cleansed and happy. For best results, remember to shake before using. And it doesn't have an alternative size, so maybe this is the full size, but more than likely this is like a travel full size or something. Okay, let's get into the more exciting, well, it's the last item and possibly the most exciting. I don't know. I wasn't sure if I was going to get this box, but when I realised I could get it for £5, I thought, well, all right then, I'll get it for this. So this is a teeny cute little palette from Trifle Cosmetics, and as I paid just over £5 and this is worth £15.55, obviously I've got good value for money. but will I like it? I don't know. It's the Praline palette, eyeshadow palette. A playful palette of 6 intense multifunctional eyeshadows that can be used wet or dry. The intense vibrant shades range from a neutral bronze to a wearable khaki and deep eggplant. Formulated with creamy coated micronized pigments to reduce shadow fallout, these unique powders are hot pressed into their goddets. I didn't know that's what that was called. For a strong yet velvety smooth texture. Comes complete with a large mirror and double-ended sponge applicators. It's 100% cruelty free and it is in the setting Soft Caramel. Find a palette of 6 pigmented eyeshadows in this cute pastel packaging. The intense shades range from a neutral bronzer, blah blah blah. Formulated to be creamy yet vivid, these unique powders have a velvety smooth texture and are 100% vegan plus free for any nasties. So let's get this out and have a look. So from the colours on the front, I'm kind of expecting it to be those kind of colours inside. Are we going to be disappointed or not? Oh, this packaging is so cute. Look at it. Ice creams. Oh, now I want an ice lolly. It is warm. I've been eating so many ice lollies lately. Fabs. Fabs. I am obsessed with Fabs at the moment. I mean, I've been getting the like Aldi own brand ones and they've been very nice. But Fabs is all I want anyway. So these are the colours. Not quite as bright as the packaging. But let's do a swipe. Are they all shimmery type ones? Yeah, it looks like it. I like the size of the mirror. So those are the first 4 colours. That is supposed to be that red one. And I'm kind of surprised it's come out more browny coppery, but yeah, we'll see. Oh, they do come out quite nicely on my hand though, look. There is a nice shine and they are quite pigmented. I'm quite impressed actually. Now it does look redder on my hand than coppery. Okay, let's just smudge them about. That purple is great. Yeah, even after sort of wiping them, the colour is still there, the shine is still good. So the last 2 is like a browny sort of gold and a pure gold, definitely. Oh, look at that gold, that's beautiful. That's okay. But that's beautiful. Wow, look at that gold. It's almost like an orangey gold. That's amazing. Oh, this looks like a fun palette actually. Yeah. Orangey gold. Yeah, I'm definitely more into that than I thought I was going to be. And I think definitely if you use something wet and pack that on, that will look nice. Yeah, I'm pleased with that. More than I thought I was going to be. So shall we have a look at our total value for this box? Well, it all adds up to £40.21, which is super great, especially when you paid just about £5. That's amazing. But even if you paid £13.25, that's still more than 3 times the value of the box. Glossybox has done it again. Glossybox basically always wins. Like, well, at least in value ratio, always wins. Let's have a look. Will I use all these items? Well, I'm definitely going to use the eyeshadow. I will definitely try out the eye makeup remover. And of course, I'm very excited about the foot jelly thing. I'm not so thrilled about the shampoo and conditioner, but that's just because I don't really care for shampoo and conditioner. I use the same stuff on my hair all the time, which works for me more than anything else has ever worked for me. I'm using the L'Oreal what's it called, Extraordinary Oils range for curly hair and the coconut balm, and I may have mentioned it before, I freaking love it. I put a little card up here to my video about it, but I'm going to give the conditioner and shampoo a try because it does say for frizzy hair and I do have frizzy hair, so maybe it will convert me, you never know. But I think this is a good box. I think that Glossybox, you'll pass for this month. It's not my favourite ever, but it's definitely not the worst box I've ever had, and I think for £5 I'm pretty darn happy with it. And of course it looks really beautiful. What do you think of this month's box? Is it something that would inspire you, or would you give it a swerve? Do let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it and that wherever you are, you're still enjoying warm weather before the rains that are supposed to come arrive. Until you see me next time, I hope you live every moment well and take care of yourselves. Bye guys!